Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to create an account on Pinterest. In order to create an account on Pinterest, you need to follow these steps. First thing, let's go ahead and make sure to install the app. Open up your respective app store, type in Pinterest on the search bar, and install the app. After you're done installing, click on the open button. In my case, I already have an account and the steps to create an account won't be available or won't be displayed due to some security concern. So I'm going to use the browser version. So type in pinterest.com on the search bar, or you could just follow the option prompt as on your app as well. So now you could see create a new professional or personal account, right? Click the create button, after which you'll be asked whether you want to go with the email or continue with Google account. Select either one of these options and click on the continue button. As you do it, so you have to go ahead and create an account. So make sure to give a strong password or create a strong one. Give in your full name and then the last name. Provide in your date of birth and click the OK button. Now tap the next button, and on the next field, what you have to do is actually you want to make sure to go ahead and click on the continue button, and then you've successfully created your account. So this is how you'll be able to create a Pinterest account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.